Hey everyone, I just wanted to ask you guys, can you hear me? Because there's some problem, some technical issue with my phone, which I can't figure out right now. But I want you guys to tell me whether you can hear me, and I'll take the session forward. Can't figure out right now, but I want you guys to tell me whether you can hear me. Yes, I can hear myself now. I checked it. Sorry for that. Well, I think you couldn't hear the session, but I'm definitely going to do that again. I'm going to sing a few lines of my song Ishara for you guys. Um, as I told everyone on Facebook and my other social media, that this was going to be called a musical Sunday, and I wanted to sing a few lines of my latest song and tell you a few things about that song. So let me sing a few lines of my song Ishara from the movie Force 2, and here it goes. पल भर में तेरे हो जाएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, तेरे बिन कहाँ और किधर जाएंगे, जरा समझा तो करो, साए से तेरे लिपट जाएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, चुपके से नींदों में आ जाएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, रातों से तेरी गुजर जाएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, आँखों में देखो हमारी, नए ख्वाब कुछ चल रहे हैं, शायद खुदा की है मर्जी, हम और तुम मिल रहे हैं, हम और तुम मिल रहे हैं, चाहोगे जब तुम करीब आएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, ना चाहोगे तो चले जाएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो. So that was a snippet of my song Ishara, and I wanted to tell you something about this song. इसे मैंने 1 साल पहले रिकॉर्ड किया था, एंड एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही अमल ने रखा है. ही kept it exactly the same and he did not change it, which I was angry about with him. But वो कभी मेरी सुनता नहीं. He always does what he wants to do. So it turned out the way it was, and I'm really happy with how the response has been. 2 million views on YouTube already in like two days, and सब आपका प्यार है. It's all because of all my Armanians, and right now I'm sweating because I've switched off the fan and AC in my room so that you guys can hear me, but that's okay. And sorry for being late again, because my flight landed, it was delayed, and 7 I was going to keep it the live session, but I've made it 7:30. But I'm glad I was here with you, and we're going to be spending some more time chatting. I'm going to be checking all the comments right now and try to comment to whoever possible. Let me just check this. 1 second. Yes, I can hear myself now. Let me just check this. 1 second. Okay, so I can see a lot of likes and a lot of hearts flying all over, and this is really amazing. There is Wait, 1 second. Oof, AC. क्या हो गया बाप रे? Let me switch on the fan also. I'm getting too hot. And by the way, this is my room, my music room, and my chill room. This live sessions can be tricky, but I wanted to do this because it's a little personal and it's very cool. Okay, now I've kept my iPad in a nice place so you all can see me. A lot of comments coming in. Hi Sanyukti Sawant. She says, Arman, I love you so much. Sanyukti, I love you a lot as well. There's Saikat. Who's your favorite, Arijit or Atif? If I had to choose between the both, I think it would definitely be Arijit. He's one of my favorites. Sudeep Mishra, I love your voice. Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot. And I'm really glad to have fans like you guys. Okay, there's one fan who said one wink for me, and her name is Mishti, is what she said. Okay, I've not done this, but I guess I should do it. That's for you. Sunita Narayan. Hi, Sunita. Sunita is one of my special fans. She always keeps following me and does a lot of, she just follows me on everything that I do, and she's so active and dedicated. Lots of love to you, Sunita. And thank you for your watch that you've given me. It's beautiful. Lots of hearts coming in. I can see this. And okay, Harshika Saha says, Arman, hi to bolo please, crying so much you're not responding. Hi Harshika, this is for you, don't cry. I'm responding now and I said hi to you. So lots of love. Okay, someone has asked me whether I'm releasing a single, and yes, I am releasing a single very soon. The date is not finalized though. I'm still working on the song. The song is ready. I'm just working on the music video. I'm going to be shooting it very soon. Recently, I just shot the music video of Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas Unplugged with Tulsi. So that's going to come out very soon for you guys. Wow. Almost 7,500 comments on this live video. It's super interesting. Lots of comments. I don't know who to reply to. It's tough. Jeba Maimuna, I love hearing you speak. I love your voice. I could sit listening to you talking all day. Thank you, Jeba. Lots of love. And thanks for loving my voice. That's a huge compliment for me. And someone has written about Jab Tak, that they like my song Jab Tak. Thank you so much. Jab Tak is one of my favorites. And excuse me if I cough too much because my throat is bad. I've been singing for this whole past month, and it's taking a toll on my voice, but I guess that's how it is. If you want to tour and you want to be busy all days of the month and all months of the year. Ehsan Afaq has asked me, Arman Malik, who's your inspiration? There have been a lot of inspirations for me. There's Sonu Nigam sir, who's one of my biggest inspirations. There is Justin Bieber, definitely, because he did so much from a very early age, and look at where he is now. I think he's an amazing artist. I love his music. A lot of people bring him down, but I'm sure that he always comes out strong out of all of it. So I really appreciate that about him. And Sara Khan is asking me to sing Dil Mein Chupa Lunga. Okay, so I wanted to, since this question is asked, I wanted to tell all you guys that each session that I'm going to do now, mostly on Sundays, hopefully on Sundays if I get time, if I'm not on a flight or on a show, each session will be dedicated to one song. So I wanted to dedicate this session to Ishara and sing it live for you, so which I did in the start of the video. but obviously in the future we'll be singing. I will be singing all my songs, and in different ways, probably with my guitar, and sometimes like this a cappella, only my voice. So keep looking forward to these. It's called A Musical Sunday. That's what I've called it, and I'm going to be regular on this, and hopefully I do these kind of live sessions more often. It's been a long time since I've done this, and almost like 4-5 months since I've done a live video, and I was really excited. So initially when the tech problems happened, I like freaked out, but it's good to do these kind of things. And I saw somewhere DJ Chetas also joined this conversation. Thank you, bro, for joining, and if you want to ask me something, I'm going to reply to you as well. This is super cool. A lot of comments flying in. Hi Dhruv. Dhruv Patel says, hey bro, your voice is awesome. Thank you so much. Mr. Usman Khan has asked me, आपने किस उम्र से सिंगिंग स्टार्ट की थी? उस्मान सर, मैंने I was 6 years old जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था सिंगिंग, एंड तब से मैं हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल सीख रहा हूँ. एंड जब मैं 13 साल का था तब मैंने वेस्टर्न सिंगिंग सीखा. मैं बर्कली कॉलेज भी गया था टू लर्न इंग्लिश म्यूजिक. सो या, आई हैव बीन लर्निंग म्यूजिक ऑलमोस्ट ऑल माई लाइफ, एंड अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ. सो या, दैट्स द आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन. Lots of comments. I don't know who to reply to, but Arich Cheddar, Arman, please say hello. Hello to everyone out there. Thank you for joining in on this session. It's amazing to see so many people together, all on one platform, and giving me so much love, and just chatting with me. It's so cool that I can do this. Hi Arpit Rungta, you're my idol. Arman, I just love your voice and your songs. Thank you so much. It's great that I can be someone's idol. That feels great, and I hope that I can inspire even more young people to take up music and singing as a career, because not many people take it up, and people look down upon music as a career, but I don't think that should be the case. You should definitely take up music and become a singer, because it's one of the most beautiful things. Trust me. Okay, someone has re-requested Ishara, and his name is Sanik Mishra, and I'll sing a few lines again of Ishara. कभी ना कभी तो खत्म ही हो जाएंगी अपनी सांसें, तब तक मेरा साथ देना, जितनी भी लंबी हो रातें, जितनी भी लंबी हो रातें, बदलोगे करवट नजर आएंगे, कोई इशारा तो करो, नरारा नरारा ना, कोई इशारा तो करो. Okay, I was just hearing myself on my phone as well, just to see whether the sound was right. It was, and I heard myself, and I sounded good. Ruksar Banu, mast song. Very cool comment. Thank you, Ruksar. Sharmin Sultana, are you okay? Please reply me. Sharmin, I'm a little unwell, but that's okay. I'm going to recover soon. I just have a throat and cold problem. I think it's because the weather changed, but yeah, they'll get fine. Akanksha Mehta, sir, please reply, otherwise I'm going to cry now. Please, whoever is going to do this, don't cry. I don't want to see anyone crying. So hi to you, Akansha. Asma Khan is asking, do you have any girlfriend? Cheeky questions. Huh? I'm not gonna answer that right now. Shubham Kandelia, in love with you. Thank you, bro. Lots of love to you as well. Someone said happy birthday Arman भाई मेरा birthday नहीं है आज but thank you अगर advance में मुझे birthday wishes मिले हैं. lot of hearts, lot of likes. I can't even keep track of the comments. Well, I've got a very big list of comments here, so I'm just gonna see how many I can reply. Sonika Kumari, when is Kaun Tujhe coming? It's been a month now. Sonika, I want to tell you that while I was shooting Pal Pal, I was also shooting a bit of Kaun Tujhe. So that's good news for you. There's a music video coming out for Kaun Tujhe's male version. And वो बहुत ही जल्द आएगा. लेकिन थोड़ा सा रुकना पड़ेगा. You'll have to wait a little bit. But I'm going to be bringing it out one by one. There are a lot of surprises coming for all my Armanians. So just hang in there. A lot of things. So I'm super excited. So you stay excited and have patience. A little bit. It's going to come out very soon. Back to the comments. Please come to Nagpur. Okay, I will come to Nagpur. A lot of places to come. Everyone's telling me to come here, come there. I definitely have to come to every place and do a concert there. तो मैं जल्द आऊँगा नागपुर and आप मेरा वेट करना. Wow, so I got a notification from my phone saying that this is my most liked live video yet, and that's amazing since I'm going to be doing a lot more of these sessions, and especially this one which is called a musical Sunday, because Sunday को हम सब relax करते, we have some time to take out and listen to music. Okay, someone just commented, you remember me. I remember all my fans. सब लोग मुझे पूछते हैं whether I remember them. I remember most of my fans. कभी कभी I know them by name as well, but obviously it's not easy to know so many people and know their names by heart, but I try my best and I'm good at that as well. I have good memory. Pooja Dwarkani, come back to Chennai please. I love Chennai. Chennai was an amazing concert, one of my best concerts I feel, and बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला हूँ मैं चेन्नई to do another concert and just to chill as well. So see you in Chennai very soon. A lot of comments. 1 second. Shaima Majri, hey Prince, do you remember me? Yes, Shaima, I do remember you. And I keep seeing all your comments on Twitter and other places. So yes, I remember you. Wow, lots of comments. Asma Rahman, please come to Pakistan. That's a tough question to answer. I'm sad with the way things are between our countries, but I hope it does get better. Lots of love to all my fans from all over the world. But yeah, there are some problems, but that's okay. Lots of love to you. Lots of love to all my fans there. आप देखो कितने comments आ रहे हैं. So many hearts and so many likes. Even I can't keep track of it. Shashank Mishram, hi Arman, you're my idol. Just wave your hand for me. Hi Shashank, and I'm glad to know that I'm an idol for someone. Hum Jakma Riyang, any plans for Northeast? Yes, I might come there very soon. Northeast is very musical, I've heard, and they have amazing taste for music and they love music. So jaldi Northeast aunga. Avni Mishra asked me, sir, where are you now? India? Yes, I am in India. I just came back home. This is my room. I'm doing it from my room in my house right now, this live session. I'm seeing a lot of crying emojis flying. I'm sorry I can't reply to everyone. It's a little inhuman, but I'm trying my best. Samruddhi Barai, lots of love from Bits Pilani, Dubai campus. Do come to Dubai, our university. Love your voice. Hi Samruddhi, lots of love to you and lots of love to all my Dubai fans as well. Reepa Das, please at least 2 lines of कौन तुझे. इतने आसानी से तो I won't sing कौन तुझे का मेल वर्जन मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर चुका हूँ मैं ऑलरेडी, and it will release soon. It's my promise. Don't worry, I will not disappoint you guys, and I'm sure that when you hear it, you will really like it. Shahina Ramchan, come back to Mauritius. Yes, I want to come back to Mauritius really fast. Mauritius is a very, very beautiful place. And मैं जल्दी आना चाहता हूँ वहाँ पे. It was a beautiful place with amazing beaches and amazing people as well. Amazing fans like you. Shahina, I'm going to come there soon. I thought कि ज़्यादा बात हो गया. I think I can sing some things. But कौन सा गाना गाऊँ? Can you tell me which song? But I was thinking कि this session I wanted it to be only for Ishara. So if not singing a song, I can at least talk about Ishara. Ishara is my latest song. If someone who's on this live video doesn't know about Ishara, Ishara is my latest song from the movie Force 2. And it's just released recently. It's already 2 million views on YouTube, all because of you guys who listen to my music and who love me and my music. And it's something that's really close to my heart. And someone just told me I do and a lot, so I'm going to stop that. My bad. Ishara is really close to my heart, and keep listening to this song, keep loving this song, because I'm going to be singing more of this in more videos and more of my live concerts very soon. And इतने request already आ रहे हैं कुछ गाने के लिए. So I thought कि why not sing a song? Well, I should. I was thinking of singing प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से. That's a song that's been running in my mind since a long time. So a few lines from that. प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, मुझे प्यार करो, आज अभी जिद मानो मेरी, ना इंतजार करो. मैं भी दिल की सुन रहा हूँ, तुम भी दिल की सुनो. प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, मुझे प्यार करो. ओ तुम्हें कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल, बड़ी मुश्किलों से फिर संभलता है दिल. क्या क्या जतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता, ये दिल बेकरार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, मुझे प्यार करो, आज अभी जिद मानो मेरी, ना इंतजार करो. So that was a mix of प्यार मांगा है and one of my favorite songs of Kishore Da, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना. and a lot of people have asked me to sing this latest song of mine, which is from the movie Wajah Tum Ho. So I'll sing a few lines of that as well. तेरे सामने आ जाने से ये दिल मेरा धड़का है, ये गलती नहीं है तेरी, कसूर नजर का है, जिस बात का तुझको डर है वो करके दिखा दूंगा, ऐसे न मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा, ऐसे न मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा। तुमसे पहले तुम सा कोई हमने नहीं देखा, तुम्हें देखते ही मर जाएंगे, ये नहीं था सोचा, बाहों में तेरी मेरी ये रात गुजर जाए, तुझ में कहीं पे मेरी सुबह भी ठहर जाए, जिस बात का तुझको डर है वो करके दिखा दूंगा, ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा, ऐसे ना मुझे तुम देखो, सीने से लगा लूंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूंगा, तुमसे दिल में छुपा लूंगा. So well, I wanted to sing only one song in this live session, but I ended up singing 3, and ये हर time होता है हर live session के साथ. But yeah, I always love singing. I always love spreading love and music. Now back to reading the comments. Someone has requested चांद छुपा. थोड़े लाइनें गा लेता हूँ, चलो चांद छुपा के. चांद छुपा बादल में शर्मा के मेरी जाना, सीने से लग जा तू, बल खा के मेरी जाना, गुमसुम सा है गुपचुप सा है, मदहोश है खामोश है, ये समा हाय समा कुछ और है, हो चांद छुपा बादल में शर्मा के मेरी जाना. And again I back to reading comments. ये तो बहुत होने वाला है. Singing, reading comments, singing, reading comments. Arithro Ghosh, notice me please sir, I'm a big fan of yours or I will cry. सब यही comments दे रहे, or I will cry. Don't cry Baba, I'm going to try to comment to everyone. But hi Arithro, lots of love to you. Asin Siu Baran Singh, wow. Thank you so much. Lots of love. अर्पित शर्मा सर, आपकी वॉइस भी कुछ और ही है. थैंक यू अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है. इट्स ग्रेट टू सी so many hearts, so many likes, so much of love coming my way. I love your songs, your smile, love that, and French beard looks amazing. मैंने कोई French beard तो बनाया नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा there is a stubble, light one. I don't know if it's a French beard, but yeah, it looks cool though. Thanks if you like it. Judal Nihal, one fan has said Darkhast song please. That's one of my favorite songs as well. It goes like Darkhast hai ye. Sorry if I don't know the lyrics. Bade hi khas hai ye, तुम मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे तेरी ना रा 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 तेरी ना रा 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 तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे. Malunchkar Abhishek, lots of love to you, buddy. Thank you, bro. Lots of love to you as well. Someone, Vijayta Gupta has said, please for me, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं. So Vijayta, for you, especially मैं रहूं या ना रहूं. किसी रोज बारिश जो आए समझ लेना बूंदों में मैं हूँ. सुबह धूप तुमको सताए समझ लेना किरणों में मैं हूँ. कुछ कहूँ या ना कहूँ तुम मुझको सदा सुनते रहना. बस इतना है तुमसे कहना. बस इतना है तुमसे कहना. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना. जाने का मन तो नहीं हो रहा है, बट आई गेस इट्स टाइम टू एंड दिस लाइव सेशन. लेकिन जाते जाते भी मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ गाना चाहता हूँ. आज जाने की जिद ना करो. आज जाने की जिद ना करो. यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो. यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो. आज जाने की जिद ना करो. आज जाने की जिद ना करो. That was one of my favorite songs as well. But I don't feel like leaving. इतने सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, लोग बोल रहे भी नहीं जाओ, एंड इसलिए मैंने कहा आज जाने की जिद ना करो. लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स, बट यस, ठीक है, ये गाना तो गाकर ही जाना पड़ेगा. दिस इज फॉर ऑल माई फैंस, ऑल माई अरमानियंस. ये मेरा फेवरेट गाना है फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव संग. इट्स कॉल्ड बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा. मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा. मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. हमारी कमी तुमको महसूस होगी. भिगा देंगी जब बारिशें. मैं भर कर के लाया हूँ आँखों में अपनी अधूरी सी कुछ ख्वाहिशें. रूह से चाहने वाले आशिक बात जिस्मों की करते नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा. मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा. मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. Thank you for joining in on this live session. Very special to do this with you, and keep tuned in for a musical Sunday. I'm going to be trying to do this every Sunday. See you guys, and I'm going to be back very soon with more songs and another lovely session with a different song and a story behind it. So until then, love you guys.